In this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your locked chat with a secret code. First, you have to lock your chat. Let's say I want to lock this chat. I simply hold the chat and click three dots in top right corner. And then choose lock chat. Confirm it. As you can see, by default, lock chat will be on the top of your main chat. If you want to hide it with a secret code, this is you can do. First, open your lock chats. Confirm it. And then in the top right corner there's three dots, you can click it and then click chat lock settings, and then there is an option to hide lock chats. You can turn it on, and now you can hide your chats with a secret code. For more privacy, you can click use my secret code, and then you can create your own secret code. For example, I will try this, and then click done and back again to main chats, and now the lock chat is disappear. If you want to find it, you can simply go to search bar and type your secret code. Click lock chats, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.